new server socket, and inside we have the port on which the server is going to listen to, but this needs to import the library which contains this. How? Because it says import, let's see, create so I think this should be described in our main function first of all. Sorry, because only the variable is declared there, and we should have here string. Array of strings is defined like this in Java. The brackets come here, and we should have an exception handling, throws exception, and now we have no error. You see, now it is fine. It was missing this exception. We can have a try catch here. We can use throw exception here with our main function. Now we can have a print statement here, sys system dot out dot print ln that says waiting for the sensor client to connect. Then the next will be, we will use the socket class, and we say server socket accept. Let's name it socket accept, because this is going to use the server socket variable to accept the client connection. That's it. Server class is a server socket object. I mean, it is going to use this socket object, and it's going to accept the client. This started only this connection to this the server socket started listening to this port to any of the client connections. So to accept them, we use this socket class, and then we use the server socket dot accept function that returns us a socket object, which is the connection also, which maintains the connection between the server and the socket. So now we should copy this print out statement again, and we should write here that the server is connected. Sorry, the client, we can name it sensor client, is connected to the sensor server. And we can test until this, if this is working fine, if we are able to connect or not. So first of all, we run this, go here and click on, this is our, or we can just simply click on this class. This class is the main function, so just click on run as and run as Java application, and this is waiting for the server client connection. So we are here, the server socket is created, and we are listening to the server client to connect. So if we go to our application, our Android application, it is going to connect to it, to the server, and show up this one. So it's going to try and send the values. Let's see what happens. Now we start this and wait.